Everyone wants to change their life, a better job, more money, more peace, more purpose. But here's the truth that most people miss. Your life will never change if your thinking stays the same. Because every action, every decision, every habit, it all starts in your mind. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. If you want new results, you need new thoughts. Life change doesn't start out there. It starts here, in your mind. 1. Nothing changes until your mind does. In a small town, there lived a woman named Clara who felt trapped in her routine. One day, after a chance encounter with an inspiring mentor, she began to reflect on her life. Shifting her perspective from victimhood to empowerment, Clara embraced challenges as opportunities for growth. Each setback became a lesson, propelling her toward new passions and dreams. As her mindset transformed, so did her reality, revealing a world brimming with possibilities she had never imagined. 2. Change the root, not just the fruit. In a small town, Clara felt trapped in the monotony of her life, her dreams overshadowed by daily tasks. Encountering a mentor who illuminated her potential sparked a flame within her. Instead of merely coping with her dissatisfaction, she learned to dig deeper, addressing the root causes of her feelings of confinement. Each challenge became a stepping stone, revealing layers of her identity and passions. By transforming her perspective from victim to empowered seeker, Clara discovered not just new opportunities, but also a vibrant, meaningful existence. Bishi. Stress, chaos. Outside, start, inside. Inside the dimly lit cafe, Clara sat at her usual corner table, lost in thought. Outside, the world erupted in chaos. Horns blared, voices shouted, and rain poured down in a relentless torrent. Yet within these walls, an unexpected calm enveloped her. She reflected on her journey, each sip of coffee a reminder of her newfound empowerment. The storm outside mirrored the turmoil she had once felt inside. But now, she embraced this moment of clarity, recognizing that even amidst chaos, she could cultivate her own peace and purpose. 4. Unlock the next level. Clara's journey began with an overwhelming sense of stagnation, but the moment her mentor ignited a spark of hope, everything shifted. Embracing challenges became her new norm, each obstacle transformed into a stepping stone towards self-discovery. She faced fears, confronted old beliefs, and with each challenge, her resilience blossomed. Triumph came not just in newfound passions, but in her ability to create a life of purpose. Through this inner alchemy, Clara unlocked the vibrant existence she'd always yearned for, proving that true empowerment lies within. 5. Shift happens. When you shift, embracing new perspectives can ignite profound transformations. When Clara met her mentor, a spark lit within her, urging her to shift from feeling trapped to embracing life's possibilities. Each challenge she faced became a stepping stone for self-discovery, revealing her hidden passions. As she confronted her fears, the chaos around her faded, and she cultivated an inner peace that radiated purpose. This journey taught Clara that true empowerment blossoms when we open ourselves to change, ultimately unlocking a vibrant existence. 6. Your mind is the compass. In a world swirling with choices, your mind becomes the compass guiding you through uncharted territories. Each thought is a direction, each feeling a map, leading you closer to your true self. Self-discovery unfolds as you silence the external noise, tuning into your inner voice. With every decision, you learn to trust your instincts, embracing the detours that teach you resilience. As you navigate through life's complexities, you realize that clarity emerges not from certainty, but from the willingness to explore within. 7. The inner upgrade. Clara awoke each day, a prisoner of routine, yet a flicker of hope ignited within her after meeting her mentor. With each conversation, she unraveled layers of self-doubt, and slowly, a powerful realization emerged. The key to liberation lay in her mindset. Embracing challenges as opportunities, she transformed her setbacks into stepping stones towards self-discovery. As she cultivated inner peace amidst chaos, her true passion surfaced, illuminating her path. Clara learned that empowerment starts within, guiding her to a life rich with purpose and fulfillment. If you keep thinking the same way, you'll keep living the same life. But the moment you shift your mindset, even just a little, you open the door to a completely new future. The power to change your life was never outside of you. It was always in your mind. So today, choose different thoughts. Think bigger. Believe deeper, because when your mind changes, your world follows. And never forget, you are undefeated. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks.